Welcome to a deep dive into the world of multinational corporations, or MNCs, and the strategic hiring of specialized workers. Today, we explore a paper titled Scarce Resources or Damaged Goods: How Organizational Unit and Geographical Location Influence the Legitimacy of Laid-Off Workers Following MNC Failure, published in the Global Strategy Journal by Christina Vast-Andersen, Mark Lorenzen, and Agnieszka Nowinska. This paper explores the dynamics of worker mobility, particularly in the context of specialized workers who are a scarce resource. It theorizes the contingencies for this mobility and the unique hiring opportunities that arise when a rival MNC lays off such workers. The paper further delves into the estimation of strategic value of job candidates by prospective employers, and how this estimation is influenced by the worker being laid off, especially when the failure of a former employer is involved. The central theme here is legitimacy. The legitimacy of individual MNC workers following a failure of their former employer, to be precise. The authors argue that this legitimacy has a direct impact on a new employer's organizational legitimacy and performance, thus making it a critical aspect of global hiring strategy. The paper proposes that when workers laid off by an MNC are scarce, prospective employers will share interests in normalizing many of them, retaining their legitimacy. However, a process of social evaluation is likely to categorize some laid-off workers as low in legitimacy. The authors theorize that this social evaluation will make legitimacy loss spill over among laid-off workers previously assigned to particular organizational units or geographical locations. To illustrate their theoretical argument, the authors present a case study of the job mobility of traders laid off due to a large-scale bankruptcy of a MNC in the bunker industry. This setting was chosen because bunker traders are highly specialized and scarce, and their legitimacy is central to their value to prospective employers. The case study uses LinkedIn job data to demonstrate the outcomes proposed by their theorizing. Legitimacy loss, proxied by a comparative analysis of job mobility. To summarize, this paper provides valuable insights into the strategic hiring of specialized workers by MNCs, the dynamics of worker mobility, the impact of a worker's legitimacy on an employer's organizational legitimacy and performance, and the social evaluation process that influences the legitimacy of laid-off workers. It also presents a case study that effectively illustrates these theoretical points. This paper is a must-read for anyone interested in the strategic hiring practices of multinational corporations, the dynamics of worker mobility, and the concept of legitimacy in the context of job mobility following organizational failure.